Trying to protect an idea, I think the first thing you need to do is just reach out to counsel. And I only say that because there's things that people can do to hurt themselves down the road with respect to getting intellectual property. There's certain rules with respect to patents about, an inventor's own actions can be invalidating of their own patents. So without going into specifics and without giving specific legal advice, I think it makes sense. If you have an idea, it may or may not be protectable by some sort of IP, right? It could be a patent, it could be a trademark, it could be a copyright or a trade secret. I think it makes sense to have an initial conversation with an attorney and just get the bearings. It's a really tough question to just ask of what somebody can do. I think the best thing is just to reach out to somebody. And those conversations can be very quick, right? It can be a quick 30-minute, 45-minute conversation. IP might make sense for you in this situation. Or, a lot of times IP doesn't make sense. I think a lot of times we don't always advise clients to file a patent application just because, that's good for my business, right? It might not make sense for your business, so we're not gonna advise that. So there's plenty of situations where it doesn't make sense to file patent applications.